Hello, everybody. Andrew Mayeski here with EPICURE. So I am almost promoted to leader, which is awesome. I kind of knew that I was moving up in the promotions last month because everything just kind of came together. I don't know how that happens sometimes. It's kind of like a light switch just went off. But to be promoted in a direct sales company, you always have to have a team under you. And I love teaching, I love training people, and it's so exciting for me to help people learn how to eat healthier and also to make money sharing their love for Epicure. So I've just been really focused on that, if that makes sense. As you guys can see, I've been doing the YouTube videos now, and I think that that helps huge. So as my team is getting larger, we're all just having a lot of fun talking online, and it is so nice. I have not met any of my team members, I don't think. They're all online. Come to think about it, wow, eh? So we do everything online, and I share. We teach each other, we inspire each other. It is awesome. But I have never held an at-home cooking class, not once. They have all been online. And as I've mentioned before, you probably heard me say this multiple times, but I just don't have time. Yes, that's an excuse because I should make the time, and I do plan to make the time when we move in November because I'll have a nicer kitchen. And I just feel like life will just kind of come together. Things seem very chaotic right now, but once we move, that's our intention, is to just really have things come together and things will be amazing. But I am almost promoted to leader by not doing any at-home cooking classes. I don't think anybody else can say that. So I want to teach all of you guys how to do it online. And trust me, if you do the at-home cooking classes, that is a bonus. You will be promoted quicker than you can even say, oh my God, I'm promoted. It took me 3 years to get to the executive consultant level. I am almost at leader, but that's because I have been doing everything online. So imagine if you take my tips, my tricks, my advice, because I am training everybody on my team how to do exactly that, but add your own at-home cooking classes on top of that, and then doing your cooking classes in other people's homes. Imagine how much quicker you can get promoted. And that's the exciting thing about being promoted, is if you work a regular 9-to-5 job, you probably won't get a raise every year. I don't know anybody who gets a raise every year. But working with Epicure, you can give yourself a raise basically by working hard, by sharing your love of Epicure. You will get promoted, which will give you a raise because you get more percentage for a commission. Everybody you have on your team, if you have at least 3 team members, I believe it is, you will get more commission, and you will make commission off of everything they sell. So it can be very, very easy to make at least $200 in commission a month, which doesn't seem like a lot, does it? But if you save up that, you will easily have a lot of money at the end of the year to buy Christmas presents, to go on a much needed holiday, you know, something like that. But the more you get promoted, the more you work hard, you can easily be making $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, or more by selling Epicure, sharing Epicure. If I can make a good income selling Epicure online only, you guys can make an amazing income doing it online and hosting at-home cooking classes. So let me teach you guys how to do that. And a common question is, well, do you have a lot of people on your team? Because I don't want to sign up with you and then I never actually talk to you. We have a lot of people, but not so many where you will never be able to talk to me, if that makes sense. We talk to each other all the time. We have our own group on Facebook. We have our own Facebook Messenger system. So you will always talk to me. And this is what I specialize in, if that makes sense. And that's online. I have been a dental hygiene, like a little side note, I have been a dental hygiene and dental assisting tutor online because I'm a dental hygienist by trade since I was 19. So, and I'm almost 34. So I teach people online. This is what I do, and I teach hundreds of students at a time. You do have to have a knack for it. You have to be motivated. You have to want to do it. But I love this, you guys. I want to teach all of you guys how to make a good income sharing Epicure. You will not hear me say selling Epicure often because you're just simply sharing your love for Epicure and making money. Once people try it, they will want it and they will want more because we all have to eat, right? And who does not want to save money by eating at home? Epicure helps us do exactly that. So let me teach you guys my ways. Yes, it took me 3 years to almost be leader. That's a long time, but it doesn't feel like a long time because I was never worried about it. I was never like, oh my God, I didn't get promoted this month. Oh my God, I just got a fly. Gross. I was not like, oh, I haven't gotten promoted this month. This sucks. I suck. Everybody sucks. I was never like that. I just simply shared my love of Epicure enough to remain active. When we had challenges, we usually have a challenge in the summertime, the wintertime. I was excited to actually sell more. And then that excitement sort of rubs off on other people. They sell more, I make more money. They add people onto their team, they make more money. We're all happy. We're all a very happy bunch of people. Trust me, you guys. So if this sounds exciting to you, if you want to learn how you can sell Epicure, share or sell Epicure. I said that I would not say sell Epicure, but anyways, if you want to learn how to share Epicure and make amazing commissions doing it with online sharing and hosting your own cooking classes, let me know, because if I can do it, you guys, with everything that I'm doing in my life, you can do it too. Trust me. And I am so happy to talk to everybody anytime. Send me a message anytime. That's what I am here for. So thank you guys so much for listening. Good luck. Talk to me. I will leave the link for our Facebook group for you on the bottom. Join that. Send me a message and let's talk. This can be possible for everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.